Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. On today's video guys, I'm going to share with you on how you will be able to locate the engine number for your Hyundai Eon. A lot of you guys have been asking me to create a video for this one, so here it is. This is just a quick video. Just going to share with you on how to locate the engine number for vehicle registration. So the engine number is located on the engine block. So some prefers getting the engine number on the upper part of the engine, but for me this is a bit difficult, especially when the engine is hot. It would be easier if you'll access it underneath the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to show you where the engine number is. Alright guys, so I'm underneath the vehicle. I'm gonna use a flashlight for you guys to be able to see where the location of the engine number is. So okay, so the engine number is actually underneath the ignition coil. Let me see if I can focus the light right over there. Do you see the rusty part? That one. Okay, so that's the engine number, that's the ignition coil, and that's the engine number. Okay, that's that long rusty plate. That's part of your engine block. That's the engine number, and that's how you locate the engine number for your Hyundai Eon. The body number is located on the passenger side underneath the seat. You just need to pull off the cover. You will be able to access the body number. But for the engine number, that is how you locate the engine number, and easier access if you access it underneath the car. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Again, thank you so much and see you on our next video.